how to share Reels from Instagram to Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can share Reels from Instagram to Facebook. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. To share your Reels from Instagram to Facebook. Now, if it is your own reel that you're talking about, that you have a reel that you want to post on both your Facebook as well as also your Instagram, you first have to make sure your Facebook and Instagram are connected. To check that, open up Instagram, tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side, go to Account Center, scroll down and tap on Account. Then here make sure you've added your Instagram and Facebook account together and that they're linked. Once you've linked this, right, if you have, let's say, a certain reel which you've already posted. Now, as for the reel that you've already posted, if you tap the three dots icon, you'll find this option called Share to Facebook. So you can do that to share that reel directly to your Facebook. Or let's say while you are editing a certain reel and trying to post one of the reels that you already have over here. So let me just go ahead and edit out a certain reel like this. And I'll just tap the next button. Then I'll just tap on next and next. I can just look for here also. I can tap on also share on Threads or also share on Facebook. So when I've enabled that, it will be enabled to always go ahead and then share them to both my Facebook and my Instagram. That is all for this video. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.